Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to go over today some quick tips about lipos, LiHV, and general safety and storage and maintenance. So it's been a little bit since I ran electric last, so I'm just doing some battery maintenance. These batteries have been kind of sitting for about 6 months now, and right now I'm actually doing a battery for my head heater. So it was a little bit off. It was actually way down below the recommended storage of 3.8 volts per cell. I like to do around 3.85 for good measure. But yeah, so just a few things you definitely want to keep in mind about safety. Never leave this stuff unattended while charging. I do have a fire extinguisher close by in the kitchen that I can run to really fast, and it is capable of putting out electrical. So also, LiPo storage bag. No ifs, ands, or buts. You need one. All the tracks you go to should require one. If they don't, make sure they do. Say hello. She's back. Just waiting on a few more things. Also went back to the White Wings. J&T Leading Edge. Shout out to them. And most importantly, storing them in your ammo can. Also, do note, remove that seal, because pretty much if you leave the seal in and one of these batteries goes while inside, it pretty much turns into a bomb. So watch out for that. Definitely never overcharge your batteries, for sure. Always do a periodic inspection of the batteries. Pretty much you're looking for, if they start puffing, slight puffing is normal with age, but excessive puffing or the seams splitting, you can see the seam right there. If that starts splitting open, I would say it's time to discharge and dunk it in the salt bath and put it in your local recycling. So yeah, just wanted to do a quick video on it since I was doing it today. Any questions, drop them down below.